Gorilla Grip Slow Feeder Bowl. I have 2 dogs, and one of my dogs is a porker. She eats her food and his. So I got this dish to help slow her down so he has a chance to eat as well. What I like about this dish is it has the maize, so it's going to keep her intrigued for a little bit longer, give him a chance to eat. But the bottom of it has this rubber, so it makes it where she can't really scoot it just as easy and knock it over. She's such a piggy, she likes to knock her bowl over just to make it easy, but this one has the grips. She's still able to gobble, so that's a good thing. But what I like about it is it's gonna slow her down just a little bit, because if she keeps eating, she's gonna be so chunky she can't fit through the doggy door. Overall though, this has been a great addition. She likes it, and I know the other puppy likes it as well, because he actually has a chance to gobble up his food as well.